Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to cook well-done burgers on the stove. First, select ground beef with at least 80% lean meat for the best flavor and texture. Next, form your patties to be about 3/4 of an inch thick. This helps them cook evenly. Finally, season both sides of your burger patties generously with salt and pepper or your favorite burger seasoning before they hit the pan. To achieve that delicious crust, heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed oil. Carefully place your seasoned burger patties into the hot pan, making sure not to overcrowd the surface. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain pan temperature. Let the burgers cook undisturbed for about 5 minutes on the first side. You're looking for a deep, rich brown crust to form. Once that's achieved, flip the burgers just once and immediately reduce the heat to medium-low. Continue cooking for another 6 to 8 minutes on the second side. This lower heat ensures the inside cooks thoroughly to well done without burning the exterior. To ensure your burgers are perfectly well done, use a meat thermometer to confirm an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they reach this temperature, remove the burgers from the pan and place them on a plate or cutting board. Allow them to rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, resulting in a much juicier and more flavorful burger.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.